In the early stages of Python, there was a workshop in November 1994. We had capacity for 20 people. And now we're surrounded by a conference, with 3,000 or 4,000 people at the conference.
It's changed a lot, but the soul of Python is still there. You can still see the welcoming part of the community, the openness, the inclusiveness. All that stuff was there from the very beginning, and it's great to see that that's still part of the DNA of Python.
I think it's super cool what Paul and the whole JetBrains team have put together here.
I'm so glad I came. This is one of my favorite events all year. This is where I get to meet all the people I work on these open source projects with or other projects around the podcast.
I really like, for instance, that we have lightning talks, and lightning talks are held at the biggest room because they are an awesome event and also a very democratic event that lets lots of people come.
We're just so happy to bring everybody together. We're happy to host them here. We're happy to make it possible for them to have a presence like this at PyCon. And we're seeing that everybody's having a very good time.
But we're not just writing code, we also have a lot of different discussions and sometimes even argues, and we make jokes, we laugh a lot, so I'm surrounded by amazing people.